Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're shopping for a pressure washer this year, there's a ton of noise out there, specs, PSI numbers, flashy features. But which one actually gives you powerful, reliable cleaning without overcomplicating the job? So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 pressure washers that actually deliver, whether you're washing your car, blasting mildew off the patio, or getting rid of stubborn grime on the driveway. If you find something you need, I've dropped all the links in the description for you. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. I keep the reviews real and straight to the point. Let's dive in, starting with number 5. Number 5. Craftsman CMEPW2100. Let's kick things off with the Craftsman CMEPW2100, a budget-friendly pressure washer that punches above its weight class for homeowners who need reliable cleaning power. If you're looking for solid performance without emptying your wallet, this unit deserves your attention for its straightforward design and dependable operation. With its 2,100 PSI and 1.2 GPM flow rate, this pressure washer delivers enough power to handle most household cleaning tasks like washing cars, cleaning driveways, and tackling patio furniture. The electric motor starts instantly with no gas mixing or pull cord hassles, making it perfect for quick cleanup jobs around the house. What sets it apart is the included soap tank and multiple spray tips that give you versatility for different cleaning tasks. The 25-foot high-pressure hose provides good reach without constantly moving the unit, while the onboard storage keeps everything organized between uses. The lightweight design makes it easy to move around your property, and the quick connect fittings mean you can swap nozzles without tools. Setup is straightforward with clear instructions, and the unit runs quietly compared to gas-powered alternatives. Where it shines: great value for money, easy electric start, good selection of accessories, and lightweight portability for most users. Where it falls short: lower pressure means it won't handle heavy-duty cleaning jobs, and the plastic construction feels less durable than premium models. Who's it for? It's perfect for first-time buyers, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants reliable cleaning power for light to medium tasks, all without complicated maintenance. Bottom line, the Craftsman CMEPW2100 strikes a solid balance between price, performance, and ease of use. If you want dependable cleaning power with simple operation and good value, this washer is a smart choice for most homeowners. Number 4. Greenworks 2000 700 PSI electric washer. Sliding into number 4 is the Greenworks 2000 700 PSI electric washer, a refined, powerful unit that blends proven performance with smart improvements, perfect for homeowners who need serious cleaning power for regular use. This isn't just another budget option, it's a thoughtful mid-range machine that delivers impressive pressure and solid features. Thanks to the 2,700 PSI rating and 2.3 GPM flow rate, you get excellent cleaning power that handles everything from dirty cars to grimy decks with ease. Whether you're tackling seasonal cleaning projects or regular maintenance, this washer provides the pressure needed to get jobs done efficiently. The unit's enhanced design distributes power efficiently, with a reliable electric motor that starts instantly and runs consistently throughout your cleaning sessions. The included soap tank and multiple spray tips give you flexibility for different surfaces and cleaning intensities. What really sets this generation apart is the improved build quality and user-friendly features. The 25-foot high-pressure hose provides excellent reach, while the onboard storage keeps all accessories organized and ready to use. You'll find the Quick Connect system makes switching between tasks fast and easy. Build quality feels dependable throughout with Greenworks' proven construction. The unit rolls smoothly on its wheels, and the ergonomic spray gun feels comfortable during extended use. Who's it for? It's perfect for homeowners with regular cleaning needs, car enthusiasts, or anyone wanting reliable mid-range performance with good pressure output. Bottom line, the Greenworks 2700 PSI electric washer isn't just an upgrade, it's refined, powerful, and feature-rich enough to handle most cleaning challenges. If you want noticeable improvements in cleaning power with solid reliability, this one checks all the boxes. Number 3. Kärcher K1700. At number 3, we've got the Kärcher K1700, an innovative pressure washer built for users who want German engineering quality without premium pricing. If you're tired of washers that feel flimsy or lack consistent pressure, this one changes the game. With its proven design and solid construction, it's built to deliver reliable performance while giving you the durability needed for regular use. What sets it apart is Kärcher's reputation for quality engineering that provides consistent pressure output and long-term reliability. You get excellent cleaning power with the precision and build quality that German engineering is known for, making it perfect for users who want dependable performance. The build quality is premium and dependable. The unit includes multiple spray patterns and a detergent tank, while the compact design makes storage easy in most garages or sheds. You'll find the washer excels at both light and medium cleaning tasks, making it perfect for homeowners who want one machine to handle various projects. One of the standout features is how the unit handles different cleaning tasks with consistent pressure output. The Quick Connect system makes switching between nozzles simple, while the reliable electric motor provides steady power throughout your cleaning sessions. The quality construction extends to the design and materials, with attention to detail that shows in every component. The unit also includes practical features like onboard storage and a comfortable spray gun design. Who's it for? This washer is perfect for quality-conscious buyers, regular users, or anyone who wants proven European engineering with solid performance characteristics. Bottom line, the Kärcher K1700 isn't just another pressure washer, it's a quality-focused machine built for users who want reliable performance. If you want proven engineering with consistent results, this model absolutely deserves its spot in the top 3. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest pressure washer reviews are coming your way. And no need to dig around. I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2. Joe SPX3000. Coming in at number 2 is the Joe SPX3000, a smart and capable pressure washer that's taken a big step forward in user-friendly features and performance. What sets the SPX3000 apart from the rest is its excellent balance of power and convenience, giving you serious cleaning capability that budget and mid-range options simply can't match. Unlike basic pressure washers that struggle with tough jobs, or premium models that overcomplicate things, Joe's SPX3000 delivers impressive 2030 PSI performance, with thoughtful features like dual detergent tanks for different cleaning solutions. The washer rewards users with efficient cleaning power, while the comprehensive accessories give you everything needed for various tasks. One of the standout features is the Total Stop System, TSS, that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged, extending motor life and saving energy. The unit feels responsive and well-engineered, giving you confidence whether you're cleaning vehicles or tackling outdoor surfaces. The SPX3000 also includes proven Joe reliability with quality construction that provides excellent performance across different cleaning scenarios. You get consistent pressure output that works well for most household tasks, while the 20-foot high-pressure hose gives you good working range. Build quality stays consistently high with Joe's refined design and engineering. The unit includes 5 Quick Connect spray tips for different applications, while the onboard storage keeps everything organized and accessible. Who's it for? It's perfect for regular users, homeowners with varied cleaning needs, or anyone who wants reliable performance with thoughtful features and proven quality. Bottom line, the Joe SPX3000 redefines what a well-designed pressure washer can deliver. With balanced performance, smart features, and reliable operation, it's easily one of the most capable options for serious cleaning tasks. And finally, my number one pick, Westinghouse WPX3000. Topping the list is the Westinghouse WPX3000, a next-generation pressure washer that combines proven power, cutting-edge convenience, and top-tier build quality into one complete cleaning package. Whether you're tackling tough outdoor projects, maintaining your property, or simply want the best electric pressure washer available, this model delivers professional quality performance with exceptional reliability. What sets the WPX3000 apart is its impressive 3000 PSI rating that achieves serious cleaning power while remaining user-friendly for homeowners. Unlike other high-pressure units that feel overwhelming, the WPX3000 provides consistently excellent performance with intuitive controls that make any cleaning job manageable. Smart design is built right in. The unit's advanced motor handles demanding tasks smoothly and efficiently, while the comprehensive accessory package provides everything needed for various cleaning applications. Whether you're washing vehicles or cleaning concrete surfaces, the washer responds exactly as you'd expect. The refined construction reaches its peak here with Westinghouse's premium materials and proven engineering excellence. Build quality is absolutely dependable, with attention to detail that shows in every aspect of the washer's performance. The comprehensive features include multiple spray tips, soap tank, and quality hose that handles regular use. The complete design includes everything a serious user needs, while the versatile performance makes it suitable for any cleaning challenge. The unit works equally well for delicate surfaces and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Who's it for? It's the ideal choice for anyone who wants the best overall electric pressure washer experience with maximum power, comprehensive features, and the most refined cleaning technology available. Bottom line, the Westinghouse WPX3000 is the total package. With outstanding cleaning power, comprehensive features, and premium build quality packed into the most refined design available, it's the ultimate electric pressure washer for anyone who refuses to settle for average cleaning performance. And that wraps up my countdown of the best pressure washers you can get this year. Whether you're detailing your car, deep cleaning concrete, or just prepping for summer, this list proves there's a perfect match for every task. From the budget-friendly Craftsman to the powerful Westinghouse, there's something here for every type of homeowner or DIYer. If you found something that fits your needs, I've dropped all the links in the description, no digging needed. So which one's your top pick? Drop it in the comments I read and reply to everyone. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest pressure washer reviews are coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.